If you want to view the tracked hours report in WebWork, you can do that by going down to Reports, then Tracked Hours. From here you'll be able to see all the tracked hours of your members. Firstly, here at the top we have filters. Here you can filter by members, projects, teams, titles, how they were tracking their time, customers, and the time period. Then at the bottom here you can view the time as by day, by week, or by month. Then we can view it as hours or the amount. The way the amount is counted is by taking their hourly rate and multiplying it by the amount of time they tracked. And lastly, we have columns. So here you can choose what columns you want to view. So for example, member, email, project, method, and total. And lastly, here at the bottom, we actually have the data. So for example, here we can see the member, the project, the method, and since we chose by day, we'll be able to see each day and the amount of time they tracked for it. And at the end, we'll be able to see the total. You can also view this data as a chart. So here again, you can filter by member, project, team, and etc. So currently it's set to pie chart. I also have an option to change it to a bar chart and line chart. Then you can also choose the color scheme. There are many different options, as well as the data. So for example, what data you want to view and what each slice represents. So either percentage values or not. And last, we have omit zero values. What that means is it will get rid of any values that are zero. Once you're done making your chart, you can go ahead and press export. Another way you can create charts is by simply dragging and dropping the area you want to create a chart for. So for example, I'll take this area, then I can right click. From here I can either export or I can create a chart range. So here for example, I'll go ahead and create a chart range for a bar chart. And here you can see we have a chart for this specific area. I can choose to customize it. So for example, I can choose a column chart, a pie chart, a line chart, and etc. I can also edit the data, so what categories are in it, as well as customize the format of it. And then from here you can also download the chart. So for example, if I click here, I can go ahead and click download chart. If you want to share this information with someone who is not a member, you can do that by going to the top right section and pressing export. This way you can export it as a CSV, Excel, or PDF file. You can also click share. This way anyone with this link can view this data. They don't have to be a member in WebWork to view this link. So here is an example of how the link will look like. Currently I don't have an account on this website, and as you can see I can view all the data. And lastly we have schedule reports. Here you can write the email address this report will be sent to, the subject, message, as well as the title. Then you can choose the file type, so CSV, Excel, PDF, as well as what columns you want to be included in the email. Then we have the frequency, so you can get this email daily, weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly, as well as the period of this report. Lastly, you can select the time zone, as well as what time this email will be sent. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click Save.